So, good day everyone, and good day, sir. In this video, I will be discussing my activity submitted to Sir Christopher Che. So, let's go. Is- Let's start with include IOSGEM and then dito sa using namespace std. Yung include IOSGEM dito is library or the header. This includes the standard input-output STEM library. So, while dito sa using namespace std is to avoid the typing std colon colon para maging practical tayo. And then, proceed na tayo dito sa print stars. So, ito ay function. So, buong ito is the purpose of this function prints a specific number of asterisks in a single line. Kung ilang gusto mong asterisk na ilagay, yun ang ipiprint niya kung gaano kadami. So for palitan natin siya ng 10. Ayan. So dito naman sa void is this data type means the function performs an action but does not a return value back where was called. And then dito sa int n, yan, this is the parameter. It presents the number of the star kung ilan yung gustong i-point out or i-print out ng ng user. And then dito naman sa loop niya, so for loop ang kanya ban is runs exactly in time in each iteration. It prints 1. So dito naman sa cout end line is once the loop finish, this moves the console cursor in a new line. And then sa next is the definition, I guess. So dito sa the max of the tree. So ano yung purpose niyan? This function takes 3 integers and find the largest one. Yun nga, yung hanapin niya yung pinakamalaking number or integer sa kanilang tatlo kung sino yung malaking input. So unlike dito sa int print star, dito sa this function kasi ng int print star, it is because return an integer value back to the main program. Yun ang pinagkaiba nitong max of 3 kesa dito sa print star. So dito naman sa dito sa return max, so this utilize CSS built-in max function by wrapping the 3 variables in curly braces. Ayan yung A, B, C. Yan, 3 variables sa loob ng braces. It creates a initializer list allowing max to compare multiple numbers at once and return the highest one. Ayun. Parang siya yung maghanap ng ng highest kanila. And then proceed tayo dito sa int main. So kung mapapansin nyo pala guys, kaya nasa baba itong int main, 'di ba? Usually dito dapat 'yan yung pag natural na coding lang. So kasi bakit nandiyan yung int main? Kasi gumamit tayo ng prototype, definition and call. Kaya nandito sa baba si int main at ayun, pwede mo din siyang i-direct to the point kung wala kang prototype. And then dito naman sa dito sa testing print star, dito dyan sa itong part na to, yung may print star 10 value, it calls the print star 10 which triggers the loop to print 10 asterisk and a new line. Yan, siya yung mag-print ng 10 asterisk. So, mapapansin nyo pala guys dito is yung itong function na to is connected dito sa sa call. Ito yung call ng function na print start. And then ito naman ang call ng function na si int of max of 3. So, dito tayo sa int high max of 3. It calls the function evaluates them and find the 88 is the largest and return the 88 kasi siya yung pinaka malaking value diyan. And then dito naman sini-out lang natin yung max value which is yung high and then nag-return 0 na. So, let's try to run it kung ano yung magiging result. So, when you run this code, the console will display testing print start 10. So, 10 yung nilagay nating asterisk. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 yung display ng asterisk. And then, the highest value is 88 kasi yun yung naka-include dito. Ayan. Nagigets. So, palitan natin siya ng 20. Try natin kung gagana pa ba. Kung susundin niya pa rin yung and then, magpalit tayo ng highest value na 100 kung anong i-display niya dun. And then, let's try to run it again. Ayan. Print niya is 20 na asterisk and then the highest value is 100. So, ayun lang po. Again, I am River Kilang. Done with my activity. Thank you so much for watching.